Imagine this. You somehow reach the edge of the entire universe, grip a spear, and launch it with everything you've got. What happens next will shatter your brain. Ready? Don't scroll. Option 1. This spear blasts straight through, keeps going forever. Boom, that means there's more space beyond, so that wasn't the edge at all. Option 2. It smashes into something and bounces right back at your face. Then there's clearly something out there blocking it, which again means no real edge. Here's the insane truth scientists now agree on. The universe probably has no edge whatsoever. Zero. Nada. Space curves in loops like Earth's surface. Walk straight forever on a globe, you circle back, never fall off. No edge, no outside. The universe does the same thing in 3D on a cosmic scale. No center, no boundary, no beyond. Asking what's outside the universe is like asking what's north of the North Pole. It literally doesn't exist. This ancient mind melter, yeah, even the Greeks were losing sleep over it, proves reality is way weirder than we think. Universe equals infinite, edgeless, centerless, total cosmic chaos. If your brain just exploded, smash that like button right now, drop a mind blown in the comments, and hit subscribe. We're diving deeper into this madness next. Let's go.